Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show Instagram frame post photo editing tutorial. It is very simple and easy tutorial. All you have to do is simply follow my video and download the PNGs. I will provide these PNGs links in the description. Okay, this is the model image I am going to use now. Make sure your model image is somewhat colorful and full pose image. Okay, now we have to go to add photo and select your PNG, Instagram frame PNG. Friends, this is the Instagram frame PNG. Now simply zoom in like this, okay, and arrange perfectly in the middle, so the model image should be in the frame like this. Now it is perfect. Okay, done. Now what you have to do is, wait, I am going to adjust a little bit. Yeah, now it is okay. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is, you have to go to effects. In this effects you have to search for the black and white. Friends, remember, it is very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, you have to search for the black and white. Here is the black and white. Tap on black and white. Now tap on this eraser and tap on the square, and we have to arrange inside this frame. Okay, now tap on this square and make the hardness to the 100. Now decrease this side. Now stretch it down up to here frame. Okay, now it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is, you have to add some lightning PNGs, okay, regarding to the Instagram. Okay, I will provide every PNG link in the description. Now go to add photo and select this neon love symbol PNG. Okay, already it is glowing. You have to start arrange perfectly in their positions. I am going to arrange here one PNG. Okay, now simply tap on these frames, make it duplicate and bring it here one. Okay, bring here, decrease the size. Now make it duplicate and arrange one PNG here. And make another duplicate and arrange here one. Okay, we have to arrange wherever you want, but I am going to arrange somewhere position it will be, which will be okay and attractive. Okay, done. Finally arrange these pages. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is, you have to add another name frame PNG. Go to add photo and select this Instagram frame PNG, name frame PNG, zoom in like this and arrange in this position. Okay, arrange perfectly in this position like this. Okay, now done. Now tap on tick. Friends, now what you have to do is, you have to add your name. Okay, you have to add your name or whatever you want, but I am going to add my channel name. So in this portion you have to add your name. Okay, go to text. I am going to write my name, my channel name, Xyaa edits. Okay, tap on done, tick. Now we can find this font in the Picsart. Okay, luckiest guy. Now change this color to the black, or you can change whatever color you want. Write your name here, it will be perfect because you are adding your photo editing. So I am going to add my channel name perfectly in this portion. Done. Everything is done, friends. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Instagram frame post photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit, just follow my video. If you really enjoy this tutorial, please consider like, friends, please consider like, subscribe, friends, okay, and tap on bell. When I upload a new video, you will get notification immediately, so you can watch my videos and enjoy. Now go to draw Tap on these three dots and save this image. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.